Hey guys, today we are going to see how you can create very simple and elegant album designs in Photoshop. So let's see. So first of all, this is the final output that we are going to work upon. So you can vary the size and the shapes and the number of images that you will have on your album. So first of all, let us start with the basic. So the first thing first is what you need to understand is there are different sizes of albums that you can create or the design that you can create as per your availability or as per your requirement. So you might have 10 inches by 10 inches. I'm talking about the pages, size of the pages. You can have 10 inches by 10 inches. You can have 12 inches by 18 inches. You can have 14 inches by 14 inches. It depends on your requirement. So right now we'll work with a design objective of 12 by 18 inches. So what we design is we don't design a single page. What we do is we design a single sheet, which equals to 2 pages. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to new and we are going to create width will be 36 because 18 plus 18 will be 36 and the height will be 12. You can have resolution 300 or 200 or as per your requirement and availability, and you need to consult with your album printer regarding the same. Take guidelines from there and we'll click OK. So as you can see, we have a blank template here. So we need few guidelines or few like margins to work around, else will be like we might have some issues with printing. Some printers, they provide some margins for you to design, else there might be the photos might cut off, so it might look very weird. So what we'll do is we'll create some guidelines. So the first thing first is we'll create a guideline between separating the 2 pages. So what we'll do is we'll go to view, new guide, and as it will be a vertical line, so the position will be 18th inches. So this is the position. This is where the fold will come place when the album is being printed. So next we'll make some margins over here, 0.5 inches. So the measurement is taken from this point, like from 0 to here, from 0 to here, vertically and horizontally. This is the 0 point. So again, we'll do a margin of 0.5. It will give us a margin of half an inch, and here itself it will be 35.5. As you can calculate from here to here, it is 35.5. So what we'll do is we'll go to new guide. We'll put 35.5. We have this, and right now we'll make some horizontal guides as well. So to make that, the process is the same, but we need to select horizontal. So we'll do 0.5, and again, because it's 12 and from the 0 starts from here, so it will be 11.5 here. So again, we'll go here and we'll put 11.5. So this is what we have right now, and we will again, what we will do is we'll put up few margins because we'll put 4 images here and a single image here. So I'll make some partition over here because it's 18 inches and 12 inches. Will make margins halfway through, that is 9 and 6. So again, let us do that. You can do the basic mathematics as per your requirement. Horizontal it will be 6 and vertical it will be 9, as you can see. So again, what we'll do is new guide and vertical and 9 inches. So here we have 4 different position and a single sheet, or a single page to create a single photo, to put a single photo. So right now what we'll do is we'll create a new layer here. We'll select the marquee tool. We'll select the rectangular marquee tool and we'll select this position, this block basically. And we'll do right click and fill and fill it with black color. Again, what we'll do is we'll click on this layer. We'll double click on this layer to give us a margin and a stroke. What we'll do is you can choose any color that you want. So we'll choose this. Increase the opacity and reduce the margin itself. So this is what it is, and we'll just click OK. And we'll select this layer. We'll hold alternate and it will create a copy of this layer. You can just place it here. And we'll just move it a little bit on the left just to take care of the margin. And again, we'll just make a duplicate layer of these 2. And we'll bring it a little bit down. So here you can see we have created, this is basically a mask. These are the 4 masks that we have created, 4 separate layers where you can put 4 different images. And on the right side, I'll just bring along. Here you can see there is a round shape. For this, what you need to do, the process is the same. First, you need to create a different layer altogether and select the elliptical marquee tool. To create a perfect round or circle shape, you need to hold shift and just make a sphere or circle. Else, if you leave the circle, if you leave the shift, this is what is going to happen. You are going to get an ellipse. So what we'll do is again hold shift and just drag it there. Just drag it there, and we'll do a right click and fill it with black color. So this is what it is. And to create a layer or stroke, you need to do the same thing altogether. If you don't want it, you can just ignore it altogether, but I'm just, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to take it there and put a different color. So this is what it is. If we remove the guides, you can see this is the layout. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to import all the images that we are going to fill all these masks with. So what we are going to do is open up our images, drag and drop. So to keep or maintain the aspect ratio, you need to hold shift while resizing it. So we are going to just drag it here, press enter. We're going to just drag and drop here. We'll keep it here. So this looks quite awkward, right? It is all over the place. These images are overlapping and everything. But hold on a second, we are going to solve it out. Here you have the images, here you have the layers, and we are going to just figure out which layer goes on what. For example, we are going to use this image on this layer, right? So we are going to just drag it over this layer and press Ctrl Alternate G. G for Goa, G for Gangtok, G for Gone. And this is how it looks. And the best part is, like, you can drag it anywhere. It's not going to overlap with any other image, right? You can just transform, you can resize, you can do whatever that you want. And this is what is going to happen. The same thing we are going to repeat with all these images, and we are going to select and drag it over the mask. So let me do that quickly for you. So here we have it. And this is a very simple and elegant design. You can use brushes and everything to change the background color. What you need to do is just create another layer here and just fill it with any color that you want or any gradient that you want. And that's about it. And this is how it will look. And this is as easy as it becomes. Like, this is very simple and easy. You can save this preset and later on you can import images and just drag it over the mask to create the perfect album design for you. And thank you for watching this video.